What's good, big dog? It's your boy Dre, and it's Saki's birthday. We're headed to Tractor Supply. I prepared some ice just in case Tractor Supply doesn't have ice packs.
Wait. Yellow.
Okay, let's go.
We just came in to grab some vet supplies for the puppies, specifically 5-way Canine Spectra, as well as get Saki a gift for his birthday. We let him pick it out.
You like this one? No? No, I got one. You like this one? Wait. Come on. Come here. This one? No? Don't do it for you? Let's go. Come on.
I peeped some meals that I'd never seen before and wanted to share them with you the next time you go to Tractor Supply.
Come on, Saki. You got video of that? Oh, no, I like that big one right there. Boy, it's like down. Down. Good boy.
You ever try to give him raisins?
Here. Yes. I do. Yellow.
This old hammer shines like silver, rings like gold, rings like gold. This old hammer shines like silver, rings like gold, rings like gold. I can never repent for my sins, cause if I had a chance, I'd do it all again. Maybe it's the gin, or maybe it's the end, cause I cannot pretend, don't care who I offend. This is for my brother saying he locked up in the pen. He money 10 for 10, and I'm the lieutenant. Can give a fuck about friends, cause I don't fuck with them. This is for the borough, and I'ma represent. I'm still the fucking same, my seal is still your dame. Just cause he don't change, I still don't fuck with lanes. They should fucking put me in the ghetto hall of fame, cause I'm a bigger 9 out and I'ma let it bang.
Come on, son.
I'ma let it bang. I'ma let it bang. This old hammer shines like silver, rings like gold, rings like gold. This old hammer shines like silver, rings like gold, rings like gold. Streets, boy, did you lose your mind? I'm on my grind, so let me shine. Reppin' my city just like LeBron James. I hold this bitch up like a motherfucking king. I got a state championship ring when I was 18. I do my thing, so nigga let me bang. Cause I take your bitch and turn her to my hoe. Then I take this track and turn it to a float. And I don't give a fuck what none of you know. I'm from New Money Crust Squad and we doing it, yo. Where I'm from, we don't say bruh, we call him your bo. And you can't fuck with me if you don't fuck with my folk. And you can't fuck with my grip, and you can't fuck with my bloods. I'm from the 910, baby, I'm not rolling with thugs. drugs and fighting some bitch. I had to do that shit to stack my grip. And if I catch you talking shit, then I bust your lip. And now I throw the bows, bitch, until you go for the hip. And I'm coming to grip, so I bang, motherfucker, bang. I got that shit so sang, motherfucker, sang. I'm trying to give you the game so you don't have to do that drug dealing thing like I did, man. There's no retirement plan for selling cocaine. Best believe you right up on the chain gang singing this shit like this old hammer shines like silver, rings like gold, rings like gold. This old hammer shines like